Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We're going to be testing this Tokyo Marui 416. This has had a service, so we've gone through the gun, tightened up things like the rail system. We've obviously rebuilt the gun. We've installed a Gate Titan Expert rear wired. We've got the FPS cylinder head installed, PROMETHEUS type ball barrel, the Psionic R-hop kit. We've got the Laylax trigger pin, which we typically install when we do the Gate MOSFETs or the Leviathan MOSFETs. We've had to fit a TM motor spacer because there wasn't one, and we've got an upgraded spring inside, and that's where we're at, I think, with this particular one. Sort of aiming for around a sort of level 3 package with MOSFET to obviously increase trigger response, give obviously more range and accuracy. You know, all the fancy good things without getting too far into the you know, the more expensive things. So yeah, I'm just going to demonstrate it working now. It's getting 267 on 3.2s and 342 on 2s. So that's that tested on so single shot. There we go, all tested, working. We're going to get the invoice sorted out and sent over, and any problems you know, with the gun, let us know, but otherwise we hope you have lots of fun with it. Thank you.